What's good, everybody? So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the rear shocks on a 2002 Infiniti FX35, I believe. It's a little quick video like always. So in this video, the only things you need is a 3/8 socket, 3/8 ratchet with a small extension just like that, a flat head screwdriver, that way you can take out the cover for the rim, 19mm socket, 12mm socket, and a 17mm socket. And the size for the lug nuts is a 13/16. I am taking it out with a impact, so if you guys don't have it, that's okay. Go ahead and do it with the 4-way. But yeah, make sure you guys do it safe. Make sure you guys put a jack stand, put a jack and all that, and go ahead and take out the tire. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so we just took out the tire. So I forgot to tell you guys, you also need an 18mm socket, and that's gonna be for this bolt right here, for the bottom bolt of the shock, and for the top bolts, which are these two only, and that's gonna be the 12mm. And you want to do it with the extension on this side, that way you don't mess up the bolt. But yeah, let me go ahead and take out the bolt on the bottom, and that's gonna be a 18mm socket, and the top ones is gonna be a 12mm socket. So go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to you guys right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already took everything out. So this is where the other socket comes in handy, and that's the 19mm socket, and that's gonna be for this, so we can be able to take out the shock mount. So go ahead and do that. So for this side, I had to use some vice grips for this side to hold the nut, that way it'll move, and so I can be able to take out that this one right here, the bolt, the one for the bottom. And yeah, go ahead and take out the shock mount. Once you do that, go ahead and just put in the new one and use the new nut, don't use the old one. And what else? Go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys for now. If you're having trouble putting it on, that way I can show you guys the easiest way to put it on. So yeah, go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to you guys right now. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already put the bottom bolt, and this is what I was talking about. As you guys can see, it is a little bit of gap right here. So the easiest way, go ahead and put a jack and just place it right here, and go ahead and start jacking it up. Let's see. It is gonna be kind of hard to do it with just one hand. So you guys get the point though. Let me show you guys. Hopefully I can do it. So yeah, just keep jacking it up, and make sure you guys put them the bottom nuts for it, and after you do that, you should be good to go. I didn't put the little and I forgot what's it called, the one that goes right here, the cover, because it was really damaged. So I'm gonna tell the customer he needs that way I can put it on next time I come. But yeah, other than that, if you guys order some new shock mounts, it's even better, that way you don't use the old ones. But like I said, the customer didn't bought those either, so I just went ahead and put everything back how it was except the cover for it. But yeah, other than that, everything went pretty smooth. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And like always, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.